Hey, so you just want to find someone on Instagram using just their phone number. So here's the fastest way to sync contacts on Instagram and find their profile. So the first thing you have to do, save the phone number you want to search in your phone contact. So after save it perfectly, you have to open up Instagram and go to your profile. Now tap the hamburger menu and go to Account Center. And then from here, you have to select your information and permissions, then tap Upload Contacts. Now choose your Instagram account and make sure your contact syncing is turned on. And once contacts are synced from here, just go back to your profile and here you have to choose the following list. Now scroll down to the bottom and here you will find this option Discover People. Just tap on Find People to follow and here Instagram will show profiles linked to your saved contacts. So if the profile doesn't appear instantly here, you have to wait 2 to 3 days for contacts to sync properly. So after syncing, the saved contacts Instagram profile will show up here. And that's it. Hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks.